All right, guys, what's going on? It's Juan. I'm here to make another video that's been highly requested after I did the video on the comparison between the B58 and the N54. Now, this video is going to be about the cost of everything, what it cost me to get to this power level, and everything that was done to it, the layout, and what parts I picked, how much I paid for them, what brands they were, and any discounts that I got. All right, let's start off with taking the cover off this bad boy. Alright, first upgrade that I did to this car were these Dynon coils. I think they sent me back $34 a piece. But they do offer supposedly 10% more electricity, which helps you with not misfiring and I guess durability. Alright. Second thing that I did, like I said, was a spark plugs. And I got two-step Coulter plugs from NGK. And the price for those, I believe, was $120. So between cold packs and spark plugs, it was under, I want to say, right around 300 bucks. All right. Okay. Second mod that I did to the car, it was the spool FX180. Now that set me back at the time $1,600. Could have been a little bit more with the shipping, but back then they were extremely expensive. Okay, so after the FX180, I went ahead and went with the Ross Racing set PCV cap, and that set me back $120. So this is a great upgrade for upgrading your PCV diaphragm that leaks and then makes your car smoke. So that was a great investment. Okay, and then after that, the next thing that I did was the turbo kit. So this turbo kit, I actually got it on trade for pure 100 and cash on top on my side. But if you were to buy this kit yourself with the 9174 ball bearing kit, you'd be looking at close to 5,400. All right, now let's see what else we did. I believe it was the Reflex. Under here we have your Reflex Plus, and I got that used from a enthusiast on the group page, and he sold me that for, I want to say, 500. I will post the correct price right here that I paid for it, but I believe new they're running close to 800. So pretty good price on that. Next purchase, once I had that power, I wanted to upgrade the fueling. Well, I did that with a high pressure fuel pump, but I also wanted to do it with a precision port injection kit with 750cc injectors. And I also got that from the same guy I got the Reflex from. And I will also post what that set me back right here. It was used, I believe new, they're close to $1,800. I think maybe I paid closer to 900 for it. So not the most expensive, and I actually got a really good deal on that, so I couldn't pass it up. One of the first mods, actually no, this came with the Dog Race kit. I had an upgraded charge pipe before, but this is actually part of the kit, so we'll just include that in the 5,400. Okay, what else have I upgraded on here? Okay, another thing that I did, I upgraded the low pressure fuel pump to a spool stage 3, and that set me back. This was actually a DIY kit, so if you buy the one that's already fully put together and ready to drop in, you're looking at about 900. This one was actually 500, but a little bit more work, but you know, $400 savings, it's kind of worth it. And then another big upgrade that I did was actually the spec twin disc clutch, which was set me back $1,800 at the time, but at the time it was also the strongest clutch. I think maybe you can buy one more up from them, which is the SST clutch, and that's good for about 1,000 wheel torque and maybe an extra $300-400 more. So I feel like at 800 wheel torque, that was enough at that time. So let's add up all the stuff that it costs what this build cost, how much power it makes, and then we can go from there. Like I said, at this power level, all these mods should be set up for a good 800 to 1,000 horsepower. Of course, the limiting factor being the engine. But as far as the clutch, our coil spark plugs, turbo kit, and also fueling with the port injection, the stage 3 fuel pump, and the high pressure fuel pump being a FX 180, I think we should have no problem with the fueling. So yes, so now that we totaled up everything, car, let's see, tell me what y'all think. Do you think it was going to be more expensive? Do you think it was going to be cheaper? And now what mods have you done to your car? Okay, talk to y'all later. Thanks for watching.